today, another day, I am teaching you how to make a drone. Yeah, like a drone. Yeah, it'll be really cool. It shoots missiles and stuff. You could put anything you want in it. Nothing is bad about this. So you would need these things and goop. So you'd start off with this. You would get a piece of goop, put it as much as you can in the middle. Sometimes it don't stick. You throw it. Then put this on. This is where you have to do it properly. You want to put another piece of goop, of course, there. Put it there. Perfect. And then one more piece of goop in the middle again. Perfect. I might have done it wrong. I have. Silly me. Anyway. It doesn't want to stick, guys. Silly things. You have to have these same direction or it will be weird in use. So put that there. That there. Try and make it as perfect as you can. Get another piece of goop. Try and put it. It is easier if you hold it and then just do that. Then look at that. You've got this. It's not the perfect one. I'll show you. You could do better than me, guys. I know. Then you get two of these. One has to be there. Other one has to be there. And then you flip it around to close the bag. It should be. Yeah, it's a drone. Not the perfect one, guys. Sorry about that. I've done better in my lifetime. And then, if I've got one, I've made it myself. You can watch a video on chubier snail doing this, but he does multiple different ones. It's easier just to watch mine. So, if you press that, bag opens. This one, and that. Look, drone. And I added a not crowbar, I forgot what it's called, grappler, for it to hold up for safety mode, I call it. And then, if you get your bag, open it, and then just put anything you want. Like I like doing grenades. Just warning, it really gives you red watch using it in safe zone, and it doesn't even kill anyone. It's weird. Anyway, that's enough. Close the bag for safety, and just put it there. Stand back. It does go too high, so you can turn it on and off. When you get high enough, drop it. Perfect little machine. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this couple minutes video. Please like and subscribe. You don't need to, but it'd help me out so much. And hope you enjoyed the video. Hope this helps you out doing this all. And have a good day. Just have a good day, people.